Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Deep Bay is a charming community on the east coast of Vancouver Island, British Columbia. Nestled along Baines Sound, it offers a naturally protected harbor, making it a haven for fishing enthusiasts and boaters. The area is part of Lighthouse Country, which also includes nearby communities like Qualicum Bay, Horn Lake, and Bowser. Historically, Deep Bay has been significant for its natural beauty and resources. In the 1920s, Eikichi Kagetsu, a Japanese-Canadian entrepreneur, purchased 885 acres of timberlands here and established the Deep Bay Logging Company. However, during World War II, his company was sold. The community is home to the Deep Bay Marine Field Station, operated by Vancouver Island University Centre for Shellfish Research. This facility focuses on sustainable shellfish aquaculture and marine ecology. Visitors can explore aquariums, touch tanks, and participate in guided tours to learn about local marine life. The area offers various recreational activities, including hiking and exploring nearby attractions like Horn Lake Caves Provincial Park. Whether you're interested in marine research, boating, or simply enjoying the coastal scenery, Deep Bay is a delightful destination on Vancouver Island.
Thanks for watching!